I hope that you all are fine. My name is Virda Nirali from Saraswati Group of Education, and today in this session we are going to learn that addition and subtraction only, but in our previous session we have seen something basic and very easy thing, right? Our related to addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. But now we are going to see over here story sums, then addition with some bigger digits, multiplication with 2 digits and all. Okay, that everything related to money. Now, first of all, let us see some of the addition and subtraction sums. So, first we are going to start with addition. $168.94 plus 32.67. So now what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to add this 7 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 carry and 1 over here. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 6, 16. So again 1 carry and 6. Now we have completed this part. So we will put a point over here, as you can see, to differentiate between rupees and paise. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 2, 10, 11. 1 carry and 1 again over here. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 3, 10. So 1 carry and 0. 1 plus 1, 2. So our answer is 201 rupees and 61 paise. Now the next is so you can see now we have 3 digits, right? So 5 plus 5, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. Plus 5, 15. Plus 1, 8. 15 plus 8. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 2 and 3. We have completed this part, so put a point. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Plus 8, 20. So 2 and 0 over here. Now 7 plus 2, 8, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 5, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 2 carry and 3 over here. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So our answer is 730 rupees and 30 paise. Right? Now the next is now again we are supposed to add over here 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 8, 18. So 1 and 8 over here, completed this part point. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11 plus 6, 17. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 4, 14. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So our answer is 447 rupees and 80 paise. Right? So as I hope that you have understood how to do addition and when you are supposed to keep a point. कि आपको point भी कब रखना है वो अब आपको idea मिल गया होगा. Right? So now let's see the sums related to subtraction. Subtract. So now you can see I have written a digits. Now let us multiply. 0 minus 2 not possible, so we will 1 add, and now 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2, 8. Here we have added 1, so now we will subtract 1 from here, so here will be 9. 9 minus 6, 3. Here 9 is there, so here we will cut and write 3. 3 minus 9 not possible, so we will add 1. 13 minus 9, 4, 10, 11, 12, 13, 4. Don't forget to keep a point after completing this part. Now here we have added 1, so we will cut 1 from here. 9. 9 minus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7. Here we have 9, so we will cut and write 8. 8 minus 4, 4. So our answer is 474 rupees and 38 paise. The same we will solve like this way only here. 5 minus 3, 2. 1 minus 8, not possible. So we will add 1 and we will cut 1 from here. 11 minus 8, 9, 10, 11, 3. Completed this part, put a point. 9 minus 3, 6. Again here it is 9, we will cut over here, write 9. 9 minus 3, 6. अगर यहाँ पे 9 है तो यहाँ पे हमें कट करना पड़ेगा 1. So our answer is 166.32 paise. Right? So in this way you are supposed to solve the sums related to subtraction. अब आप subtract और सारी चीजें आप ऑलरेडी ऑलमोस्ट सभी टॉपिक्स में करते आ रहे हो, तो आपको अब इसमें तो पावरफुल हो ही जाना है. ओके, सब्ट्रैक्शन, एडिशन, डिवीजन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, ये सारी चीजों में आपके मार्क्स कट होने चाहिए नहीं. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज मल्टीप्लाई. Okay, so now here you can see I have written 2 digits and over there it is 1 digit. So 1 digit is easy for you. But 2 digit, let us solve. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 5. 3 ones are 3. Put a point. Cross. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 3 ones are 3. So now 5 plus 5, 10. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1, 11. 5 plus 3, 6, 7, 8 plus 1, 9 and 3. And after 2 digit put a point. So our answer is 391 rupees and 5 paise. Now let's solve this. 8 nines are 72. 8 3s are 24 and 7 25 26 27 28 29 30 31. So 3 carry and 1. Now put a point. 8 zeros are 0 plus 3 3. 8 twos are 16. 8 ones are 8 and 1 9. So our answer is 963 rupees and 12 paise. Right? You just have to see that after solving this sum, last 2 digit को रख के आपको point रख देना है. Don't forget to put a point when you are solving the sums related to money, because it bifurcate between rupees and paise. That's why. Okay. So we have seen addition, subtraction and multiplication, and now it comes division. Right? Now comes division. Divide. So now in divide, we are supposed to divide it by 11. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22. 11 threes are 33, again a bigger digit, and as I told you, we will write the table over here, right? So 11 twos are 22. 6 minus 2, 4. 2 minus 2, 0. Now 40. 11 fours are 44. Now, so we will write 11 threes are 33. So 1, cut this 3, 0. 10 minus 3, 7. Now this one, 11 sevens are 77. So no, 11 sixes are 66. So 1, cut this and 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 5. We are 0. Now 5. 11 fives are 55. So 0, 0. And now after 2 digit point, 23.65 is our answer. Right? So now let us solve another one. 999.90 divided by 30. So 30 ones are 30, 32s are 60, 33s are 90, 34s are 120. So 33s are 90, 9 and 0. Again 9. So 33s are 90, 9 and 0. Now again 9. 33s are 90, 9 and 0. And now 0. So 33s are 90. And now point. So 33.33 is our answer. So in this way you are supposed to solve the sums. Now comes the next part, that is story sums, word problems. Right? So in that, what you are supposed to do, let us solve that. The first one is, see in your textbook, Salim's mother bought 2 kg potatoes. कि सलीम की जो माँ है उसने 2 kg potatoes, 3 kg tomatoes, 1 kg onions and 1 kg beans. If the cost per kg is कि 1 kg की price 23.50 for potatoes, कितनी है? 2 kg potatoes and its price is rupees 23.50 per kg. Right? Then comes 3 kg tomatoes. And what is the 18.75. Rupees 18.75 per kg. Right? Then comes 1 kg onions. And what is the price? 14.50. Now comes 1 kg beans. And its price is 27.25 per kg. Right? So this is given. Now how much did she pay for the vegetables? कि ये सारी की वो कितने पैसे वो पे करती है वो शॉपकीपर को, vegetable vendor को. So the price for potatoes for 1 kg is this much, but she is buying 2 kg potatoes. So what we will do? We will do the multiplication first. So 23.50 into 2. 2 zeros are 0. 5 twos are 10. Completed this part. Point. 3 twos are 6 plus 1 7. 2 twos are 4. So 47. The price for 2 kg potatoes is 47.00. Right? Now in the same way, she is buying 3 kg tomatoes and the price for 1 kg tomato is this much, and for 3 kg how much? So 18.75 into 3. 5 threes are 15. 7 threes are 21 and 1 7 threes are 21 and 1 22. Completed this part. 8 threes are 24. 24 plus 2 25 26. Now 3 ones are 3 plus 2 4 and 5. So for 3 kg tomatoes price is 56.25 rupees. Right? 56.25. Now 1 kg onions same price. 1 kg beans क्योंकि इसकी 1 kg की प्राइस है तो यहाँ पे हमने 1 kg अनियन लिए है. Now in total how much she will going to pay? So 14.50 and 27.25. So now over here we will add this. ये सारी प्राइसेस हमें मिल गई. अब हम इसका एडिशन करेंगे. 5 plus 5 10. 2 plus 1 3 plus 5 8 plus 2 10. 7 plus 1 8 plus 6 9 10 11 12 13 14 plus 4 15 16 17 18 plus 7 19 20 21 22 23 24 and 25. 2 carry and 5. 4 plus 2 6 plus 5 11 plus 1 12 plus 2 14. So in total she is paying 145 rupees. So what we will write the statement. Therefore she paid rupees 145 for the vegetables. As I was not having space, so I have not kept that multiplication part. But जब आप क्लासवर्क में सॉल्व करते हो तो आपको वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी दिखाना है कि हमने ये आंसर कैसे लिया, राइट? बट यहाँ पे स्पेस नहीं थी मेरे पास, इसलिए मैंने वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन पार्ट जो था वो मैंने इरेज कर दिया. ओके? So in this way you will solve this sum. Now the next sum is a customer bought the following provisions at the A to Z stores. कई सारी वो चीजें लाता है. 3 kg rice at this per kg. So let us write so that we will come to know. 3 kg rice at what rupees? At rupees 52.50 per kg again, right? Then after 2 kg atta, 2 kg atta at rupees 48.25 per kg. Then 1 liter oil rupees 112.00, that is per liter, right? Then 2.5 kg sugar, so 2.5 kg sugar at what price? 45.50 rupees, 45.50 per kg. Was 500 enough to pay for the purchase? कि उसके पास 500 थे कि तो वो इनफ है ये परचेज जो उसने किया वो पे करने के लिए. इफ यस देन व्हाट वाज द बैलेंस रिटर्न टू द कस्टमर? अगर हाँ है तो कस्टमर को रिटर्न उसे कितने पैसे देने पड़ेंगे 500 में से, और इफ नो तो उसे कितने पैसे और चाहिए. सो वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट दैट थिंग. सो सेम वे व्हाट वी आर सपोज्ड टू डू, यहाँ पे पहले हमें ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है, राइट? किसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे पहले, राइट? आफ्टर डूइंग द मल्टीप्लिकेशन, दिस here this we need the multiplication, over here also. Over here we don't need because 1 liter is there and the price is for 1 liter. But on this 3 first we need to multiply, then write over here. Then do the addition of all these things. फिर आप सारी चीजों का एडिशन कर लो और फिर जो एडिशन आए उसका आंसर वो आंसर फिर आपको देखना है बड़ा है या छोटा. अगर छोटा है तो आपको 500 में से वो लेस करना है, अगर वो बड़ा है तो वो बड़े आंसर में से 500 आपको लेस करने हैं, right? So in this way you will solve this sum. Okay, then comes the next one, that is 42 children of class 4. कितने students? 42 children of class 4 went on a field trip to the local ice cream factory. Now if the total amount collected for the trip was 1050, so how much did each child pay? कि total amount 1050 collected, तो एक child per child वो कितना pay होगा? तो we need to what we need to do? We need to divide 1050 divided by how many students? 42. Okay, and then you are supposed to do the division. Okay, so in this way you are supposed to solve the sums related to this part. Okay, I hope that you are getting it clear. Again I am saying first do the multiplication, फिर ये सारे जो आंसर है उसको आपको ऐड करना है और फिर आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है किसमें से? 500 में से. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द स्टोरी सम्स. कि पहले आपको ठीक से रीड करना है, इसमें कई सारी चीजें आपको एक साथ करनी पड़ेगी. मल्टीप्लिकेशन, एडिशन, डिवीजन, एवरीथिंग यू नीड टू डू in only one sum. So just be careful while solving out the sums and you need to show each and every step कि आपको सारे steps जो है वो भी show करने होंगे. Okay, so this is all about today's session. Now I am going to send you the worksheet based on this video, okay, so that you are supposed to solve it in your book. And while solving out the worksheet, if you don't understand anything, then first of all just go through the video again, and still if you don't understand then you can ask me. So this is all about today's session. I hope you all enjoyed it. So now until we meet again in the next session, till then, bye everyone.